So we're going to solve 2 cos squared x is equal to 3 sine x for x being between 0 and 360. So we've got 2 cos squared x is equal to 3 sine x between 0 and 360. We're going to put it in terms of we're going to put this in terms of sine, so we're going to replace cos squared x. We know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, cos squared x is 1 minus sine x. So we're going to replace the cos x here with 1 minus sine squared x. We're going to have 2 brackets. 1 minus sine squared x is equal to 3 sine x. And then we're going to multiply through. We're going to get 2 minus 2 sine squared x is equal to 3 sine x. So this is a quadratic, so we're going to make this positive. So we're going to put 2 sine squared x plus 3 sine x and then minus 2 sine x, and then we're going to solve that. So we need to factorize this. So factorizing using product is 2 times minus 2, which makes minus 4. The sum is going to be equal to 3, the middle number. So we want 2 numbers. When we multiply them together, we get minus 4, and we add the same 2 numbers, we get 3. With a bit of trial and improvement, you'll get minus 1 and 4. Let's just check that. Minus 1 times 4 gives me minus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 gives me 3. So we're going to have 2 sine squared x. We're going to split the middle term up into minus sine x plus 4 sine x. We've got minus 2. And then we factorise by grouping. It's still equal to 0. So group these 2 terms together and we get a common factor of sine x. And here we're left with just 2 sine x minus 1. If you're not sure, multiply back in and see you get back to that. Bring down the plus sign. Got a common factor just 2. And then we're going to get 2 sine x minus 1. If you do this process correct, here and here, you always get the same thing in the brackets. That's now a common factor, so it can come out. So we get 2 sine x minus 1. Brackets sine x plus 2 is equal to 0. Right, we're now going to find the angles for these. So right now, again, 2 sine x minus 1, sine x plus 2 is equal to 0, and for x being 0 and 360. So either 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, give 2 sine x is equal to 1, sine x is equal to a half, sine to the minus 1 of 1/2 is equal to 30. Doing my South Asian Tennis Club, I want to know where it is positive. Where is sine positive? In the first and the second quadrants, i.e. A and S, we make our angles with the x-axis. So we get x is equal to 30, and the other angle is going to be this orange one here, which we get by doing 180 minus 30. So that's going to give me 30 degrees or 150 degrees. Or we could say that sine x plus 2 is equal to 0, which means sine x is equal to minus 2. That's not possible because sine has to be between minus 1 and 1. So therefore we get just 2 solutions, x is 30 or 150 degrees. Okay, so this has been a video trying to make the variable the same, forming a quadratic and then solving it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.